So is it possible for a Blender beginner like myself to build a scene and rig and animate a car going through it all within 24 hours? Let's find out. Okay, so recently, myself and my son were building this, his birthday gift of a Lego Technics Porsche 911 GT3. It's an absolute beast, let me tell you that. Either way, that got me thinking the last time when I did a Blender challenge, which was to try and put just a 3D model of a car into a video, which I did, and it wasn't actually that hard, apart from a few fiddly bits going between After Effects and Blender. This time, I'm gonna try and up that ante. Instead of putting it into live action footage, I want to build a scene, a city scene, and put the car in it and animate it through. I know nothing about rigging. I have been doing a Blender product visualization course recently, and it's kind of got me a little bit more familiar with navigating the software. So it's given me some confidence, maybe false confidence, to try and go hard and go right in there, try and get something which looks really good. Now I'm gonna try and recreate a bridge here in the city. If I can't do that, I guess I'll just make a generic scene, but I'd really like to recreate the bridge. So without further ado, let's get going. Right, okay, this is the bridge behind me. You can see here, you can only see half of it. There's actually 2 arches, but they're hiding over here behind the trees. It's actually really hard to get the whole bridge in the shot. So what I'm gonna try and do is, because it's over water, and I can't levitate over water, well, not yet anyway, I'm gonna get out my drone, I'm gonna fly it, get some reference pictures, side on, above. Hopes are high, let's do this. Right, so I think I've got enough now. I've taken pictures from the angles I think I need. It was very hard to get a picture of the bridge without a bush covering at least part of it.
Eventually.
Okay, back home, and now is where the real work starts. Can I make that bridge, or at least as close to it as I would like, or do I just have to go for something random? Can I even do that? Let's find out. It's go time.
Let's do it. It's go time.
Nice. After a lot of brain work, I finally managed to get similar shape. That took a whole bunch of things, and it is a lot of things, like a lot of things with Blender. It is the easiest thing, but you just don't know how. And I just couldn't work it out. All it was, turn on proportional editing and make the circle really big, and then it pulls it all up. And the wider you made the circle, the difference it affected here. If I had a smaller circle, it kind of came out and went up, but you can see in the reference image here, it looks like it just continues down straight. So I had to make the circle really big, zoom out, it took a couple of goes, but got it. Now I should be able to duplicate this and make another side and then start on the road. Nice. Right, so it is 1 AM in the morning. it's all right. I've got till 3 in the afternoon tomorrow, or today actually, 3 in the afternoon today. Now it is 1 o'clock in the morning. It has been a long slog. I have modeled the bridge. That was lots of backwards and forwards, lots of new stuff to learn, lots of stuff I just didn't know. Then I decided, instead of texturing everything, I'm going to do that tomorrow, I put the car in and I learned how to rig the car with a free add-on called Rig a Car. But that had some problems. There were some definite problems that it would not apply the transform when I was trying to, rig the body and then rig the wheels. That was another easy fix that took a lot of Google searching, and it was just to do with needing to go into the things which it said it had a problem with, and there was a number by them saying they were connected to multiple things, and just clicking that away, and it made it a single thing. It was the easiest fix ever, but it took the longest time to find.
Later.
Good morning. It's currently 11:15. Got till 3 p.m. to get it finished. Went to sleep about 1:30 last night. I've got the animation of the car. I'm going to tweak the camera. I've got the scene built out. All I need to do now is I need to texture everything, and I need to make the sky. I've been trying to get an HDRI to show up. Got with some success, but it seems to have disappeared. Not sure why. All of these things to troubleshoot right now. Let's get going. Right, just in time. It's all done. Thing is, there's been some compromises. It is looking good. You can see it here rendering out behind me. It's looking pretty awesome. I'm gonna let it render and we'll come back and talk. Okay, so you can see behind me here, added some, well, maybe you can't see because it's a little bit blurry, but I have just added some finishing touches to it I exported as a PNG sequence. I took it to After Effects, applied a nice color grade to make it pop, made a few other minor adjustments, and added just a little bit of sound design. I could probably add more, but at the minute I've just added the sound of the car, and I kind of played with the volume levels and the panning to make it a bit more sounding like it is actually going there. Anyway, till next time guys, peace.